Gentlemen, today on JC Creations, we're going over the Varusteleka and Administrative Results Sarma blanket shirt. I'll have it linked down below. Gentlemen, I know you're at your desk drinking your prime, consuming your coffee. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. Your comments are a sacrifice to the algorithm gods, a god of which that likes Finnish clothing and based gun tubers. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about Varusteleka itself. Established in 2003, based in Helsinki, Finland. The name is roughly translated to gear hammer, and they sell military and outdoor gear in Finland and all across the world, but their main headquarters and their physical retail stores in Finland. Yeah, and according to their website, they're the largest army gear store in Europe, and they have 70 plus employees, and I'll pop their mission statement and then their value statement, their mission, and their vision on the screen. But those are pretty cool. The founder is Valtteri Lindholm and the CEO is Jari Lane. And then on their website they have a list of all their current employees, so if you want to check that out, that's pretty cool. In 2018 they shipped almost 260,000 orders to 83 different countries. And then next, let's talk about Administrative Results. Alright, yeah, so Aaron, aka Administrative Results, is an American content creator in Arizona. He currently runs the Administrative Results and Managerial Outcomes channels. Subscribe to both down below, as well as follow his Instagram with a combined 748,000 subscribers between his two channels. And then he makes quality content around firearms history, and more. He's a former police officer, has been making videos the last few years. He started his second channel, Managerial Outcomes, in 2022. And then he also posts on Instagram, where he has over 225,000 followers. And then he also has a Patreon where he posts early access to his videos, which I'm a part of. There's also a Discord there as well, so lots of fun stuff there if you become a patron on Patreon. And then next, let's talk about this blanket shirt itself. Alright, yeah, so this will run you $180 USD, made in Finland, inspired by Varusteleka's Sarma blanket shirt. This one just has the embroidered Administrative Results logo on it, and then this is made of wool, so it's 70% recycled wool and then 30% recycled polymade, and the fabric is made in Italy. And then the blanket shirts are sewn together in Finland, and they're available in dark gray and green. Yeah, and then both colors are temporarily out of stock in both the Administrative Results version as well as the standard Sarma blanket shirt, so you can sign up for email notifications when they come back in stock, which hopefully will be by the time this video comes out. But if not, just check out the website down below, and I'll have links to the Administrative Results version of the blanket shirt as well as the standard blanket shirt, so whichever one you want, you can grab that once they come back. And then so it's got a large chest pocket for gear or warming your hands, and then there's also a smaller inner chest pocket which can hold your phone, knife, earbuds, wallet, etc. That includes a hood for keeping your head warm, and then it's a longer hem on the back of the hoodie for increased comfort when squatting or sitting. And then they have what are called raglan sleeves with no seams on the tops of the shoulders. And then yeah, next, let's unbox this blanket shirt and check it out. Alrighty, yeah, so here we go. So there it is, really cool packaging, just paper, but really cool. It says better gear for less, and then it's got Varusteleka with their logo, military and outdoor specialists. Yeah, really cool design. This is recycled, that's pretty neat. Yeah, let's pop this open. Cool enough, double layered, so nice and protective. Yeah, we got the blanket sweater itself, so already I can feel this really heavy material, nice and premium, nothing cheap. You got the Administrative Results logo right there, really cool. Got the Sarma tag on there with some information about it in Finnish and English. Administrative Results blanket shirt, extra large and green. Yeah, so it's definitely a big sweater. It's made to be loose fitting when you size up. Yeah, so nice big hood, really long open sleeves. Yeah, this feels really good quality, nice and heavy. Oh yeah, nice big pocket up high there. Yeah, I'm gonna try this on and then we'll wrap up this video. Alright, yeah, so this is how it looks. This is the XL, but sleeves are pretty good length, not too long on me, but still large enough that I can put on extra layers underneath. Hood's nice and big and comfy, and then you got the main pocket up here, and then the inner pocket is right here in the middle. It's about right here. You can put your hands in there, keep them warm. Definitely glad I went for the XL, because it's good to size up, so it's a bit more comfortable. Yeah, this is really good quality, nice heavy material. Definitely don't wear this when it's hot out because you will get warm. But in the winter, this is definitely awesome. But yeah, check it out down below. If you want one, sign up for the email notifications for when it comes back in stock. Check out admin down below. Check out Varusteleka, their Instagram, YouTube, and their website down below, as well as this sweater, obviously. Yeah, really nice quality embroidered logo. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As admin says, your comments are sacrificed to the algorithm god. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.